One Afternoon by Yumi Heo. For my parents. Minho liked to do errands with his mother. One afternoon, they went to the laundromat to drop off their clothes. And then to the beauty salon to get his mother's haircut. At the ice cream store, Minho got a vanilla cone. Wee, wee, wee. They looked in the pet store window at the puppies, kittens, hamsters, and birds. They picked up his father's shoes at the shoe repair store. And got food for dinner at the supermarket. Last of all, Minho and his mother went back to the laundromat to get the clothes they had dropped off. Traffic was very heavy on the street. Because of the construction. A fire engine tried to get through. The L train was passing by above. Near Minho's apartment, children were playing stickball. Minho and his mother were very happy to be back in their quiet home. Minho was tired and fell asleep on the couch. But from the bathroom, The baby bears hope you enjoyed the story. Subscribe and join them on their next adventure. Sleep tight, baby bears.